Hi, welcome back to my channel. So happy you're here. Today I'm going to show you my new caddy that I purchased at Walmart. Can't wait to show what I have inside. Let's begin. Before I begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Lydia, the Budget Lady, and I would love to reach 1,000 subscribers if you can help me out and hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you like this video and hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you do not miss a thing. Now let's have fun and let's begin. I have been on a search for a good caddy and I looked everywhere, and this one so happened to be in Walmart. I'm so happy for it. This is made out of metal with a wooden handle and it's beautiful. I love the graphic on the front. It looks classy. I can leave it anywhere and the house will look pretty with it. So I like to show you what kind of stuff I have inside my caddy. Now, everybody has a different situation at home. You have a rug, you have a hardwood flooring, so you're gonna put things what applies to you. And it's the same thing for the caddies. So many caddies out there. There's plastics, there's wood, there's metal, and you wanna pick what fits for you in your house and your cleaning. So let's begin. I'm gonna show you what I have inside my caddy, and I'm gonna tell you where I got it from. So I can't wait to show it to you. I love it. So the first thing we're gonna show you is my microfiber cloth. You know I love my microfiber cloth. I had this forever and I'm so happy that I have this caddy now that I can just leave it in there when I need to clean, a quick clean or dusting. They're great for dusting. I have it available in my caddy. This next item I also recently purchased at Walmart is a thin dustpan and brush. I'm happy with this purchase because it fit nicely in my caddy. That way I don't have to carry the big, broom and the dustpan all over the place. This makes it super easy, especially when you have small spills you want to pick up. Now this next one is my polishing oil for my furniture, and I love products that are skinny and thin that I can easily fit in my caddy. So think about that, because you don't need a lot of product to clean your home. You can just have small bottles so it can easily fit there cozy. And the next one I like to keep handy is the baking soda. Baking soda is your best friend. It helps you scrub. When you use, I use dish detergent, but to scrub in the bathtub, but you need that extra scrub, and I like to keep this handy, and also whitens your stuff. Now, this next one is my favorite, you guys. I'm so happy because Christmas is around the corner. The snowdrop. The snowdrop smells so nice. It leaves everything smelling fresh. This is like my most favorite product from Mrs. Meyer's, and I have to have that handy. Now this next one is that all-purpose spray from Mrs. Meyer's. It's lavender scent, and you know I love lavender, using lavender in my house, and I love a product that is all in one. Makes your life easy. You don't have to worry about using a lot of product. Definitely recommend using Mrs. Meyer all-purpose spray. And this next one here, I'm gonna just take two things out for you guys, is these bottles. I had it before for my smoothies and stuff, but I wasn't using it for such a while, so I decided to use it for my vinegar. I hold my vinegar in here, and vinegar is great to use for disinfecting, natural way of disinfecting things, and deep cleaning. So I really love using this for my bathtub, a deep cleaning of my bathtub, and truly love it. Definitely try using vinegar. Now this next product is my secret weapon. I have two dogs, two beagles. Having dogs inside your house, they can really stink up your place. So I love this carpet refresher. You just sprinkle it right on your carpet, leave it for 15 minutes, and when you vacuum it, it leaves your room smelling so fresh. I love it. And I'm going to show you where I get this. Actually always get this at Family Dollar, and this is the brand that I'm using, the Pet Fresh carpet odor eliminator. If you've seen this before, definitely snatch this up because it really does the job. Now this is my new favorite. I recently got this one at Home Goods, and it's a lemon and grapefruit home fragrance spray. This makes your room smell so nice and refresh. It's like it just wakes you up when you smell it, and I love it. And when I spray it around the house, my husband was like, wow, what is that smell? I really love it. It really kills the odor so fast. Definitely check this one out. I highly recommend it. Not a sponsor. Any of these products that I'm mentioning today, I'm not a sponsor. I just love to share with you guys what works and everything, what I love to use in my home, because I'm always getting compliment when people come in and your house smells so nice, your house look nice. So I really, really love doing these things for you guys. So I'm happy with my Caddy. I love how it looks. Please leave me a comment below if you like it too. And if you're looking for it, I will link it below. I did get this one in Walmart, and I've been looking for a nice Caddy like this. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm trying to reach that 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, and take care, and God bless. Go ahead, Jonah. You can do it. You can do it, buddy. Yes. All right. Good job. He's learning how to climb. Mama got you. Don't worry. He's hyper.